Hey everyone, Jacob from ONGC Systems here. Today we will be discussing and demonstrating accessing your company email via the Outlook web app. The Outlook web app allows you to access your emails from any browser on any PC at any time you have internet. Having the ability to log into your company emails online allows you to keep up to date and in the loop anywhere you have an internet connection. No more missed emails or being unable to reply until tomorrow. Those days are past. Let's get started. Open your favorite web browser and navigate to outlook.office365.com. If you are already logged into your Office 365 account, you will automatically be taken to your webmail. If not, you will be asked to log in with your company email account details. Once you are signed in, you now have access to your Office 365 emails. Inside this application, you can read emails, create and reply to emails, access your calendar and contacts, and view your tasks. Down the bottom left of the window, there are 4 icons, which correspond to email, calendar, people, and tasks. You are also able to access any shared mailbox you may have permissions for, simply by clicking on your profile icon and then clicking on Open Another Mailbox. This will prompt you to enter the shared mailbox and then open it as if it was your own. The other way you can access your emails is from your SharePoint homepage. Simply click the waffle button in the top left corner and then click Outlook. This will launch the Outlook web application so you can view your emails. You'll also notice on your SharePoint homepage you have a My Mail section. This shows a brief amount of information with your last few emails in your inbox displayed. Today we've had a brief introduction to using the Outlook web app. This app enables you to access your emails from any computer at any time as long as you have an internet connection.